Hello everyone, and welcome. Glowing Star. Today, we are going to start with energy, focus, and no distractions. In a moment, you will see an image that we will describe using basic, intermediate, and advanced English. This will help you improve your vocabulary, listening, and speaking skills step by step. At the end of each level, we will learn new vocabulary words and their meanings to expand your English even more. Get ready to learn, practice, and enjoy the process. Let's begin right now. Basic English. A mother's love makes a happy family. A mother is one of the most important people in a family. She loves her children with all her heart. In this beautiful picture, a mother is taking care of her two children. One child is 5 years old, and the other is 2 years old. She smiles at them with kindness and love. The children feel safe because their mother is always with them. Every day, the mother helps her children learn, play, eat, and sleep. She teaches them good manners, respect, honesty, and kindness. She listens to them when they talk and comforts them when they are sad. She is patient and always encourages them to do their best. The older child enjoys reading books and playing with toys. The younger child likes to laugh, explore, and stay close to his mother. They enjoy spending time together as a family. They hug, smile, and share happy moments every day. Love, dedication, and respect make this family strong. The mother works hard to give her children a happy life. Her care helps them grow into kind and responsible people. A mother's love is a wonderful gift that lasts forever. Every child needs love, guidance, patience, and support to become confident, happy, and successful in life every day. Vocabulary. Mother. Children. Love. Family. Smile. Safe. Care. Respect. Honest. Kindness. Listen. Comfort. Patient. Encourage. Learn. Play. Grow. Responsible. Support. Forever. Intermediate English. The beautiful responsibility of motherhood. Motherhood is one of the greatest responsibilities in life. A loving mother does much more than provide food and clothing. She offers emotional support, guidance, protection, and endless affection. In this touching image, a mother lovingly cares for her two young children, creating a peaceful environment where they feel secure and appreciated. Her 5-year-old child is learning new skills, asking questions, and becoming more independent every day. Meanwhile, her 2-year-old child depends on her for comfort, attention, and encouragement while discovering the world. Despite their different ages and needs, the mother gives both children equal love and patience. She understands that teaching respect, honesty, compassion, and responsibility begins at home. Through her daily example, she shows them how to treat others with kindness and understanding. Every hug, smile, and conversation strengthens the family's bond and builds lasting trust. Although caring for young children requires energy and sacrifice, the mother performs her role with joy and dedication. She knows that every small moment contributes to her children's future character and confidence. A mother's unconditional love creates a strong foundation for healthy emotional growth. Her devotion inspires her children to become caring, respectful, confident, and compassionate individuals who will positively influence the lives of others throughout their future. Vocabulary. Motherhood. Responsibility. Guidance. Protection. Affection. Secure. Appreciated. Independent. Comfort. Encouragement. Discover. Compassion. Understanding. Bond. Trust. Sacrifice. Devotion. Foundation. Confidence. Influence. Advanced English. The transformative influence of a mother's unconditional love. The profound influence of a devoted mother extends far beyond meeting her children's physical needs. She shapes their emotional intelligence, moral character, resilience, and future aspirations through countless daily actions that often go unnoticed. This heartwarming scene beautifully illustrates the extraordinary relationship between a compassionate mother and her two young children. With remarkable patience and unwavering dedication, she nurtures each child according to their unique stage of development. Her 5-year-old eagerly absorbs new knowledge while gradually developing independence and responsibility. Simultaneously, her 2-year-old explores the world with curiosity, relying on the reassuring presence of a loving mother for security and encouragement. Every affectionate gesture, thoughtful conversation, and meaningful lesson contributes to building a strong emotional foundation. Through consistent kindness, empathy, honesty, and respect, she instills values that will guide her children throughout adulthood. Parenting demands perseverance, emotional strength, wisdom, and selflessness. Nevertheless, genuine maternal love transforms ordinary daily routines into priceless opportunities for learning and personal growth. Her unwavering commitment demonstrates that true success is measured not only by achievements but also by the positive character we cultivate in others. Ultimately, a mother's unconditional love becomes a lasting legacy, empowering her children to face life's challenges with confidence, compassion, integrity, resilience, and hope while inspiring future generations through their own actions. Vocabulary: profound, devoted, emotional intelligence, moral character, resilience, aspirations, compassionate, nurture, development, curiosity, reassuring, affectionate, empathy, instill, perseverance, selflessness, commitment, legacy, integrity, empower. Great job today, glowing star. Today, you made progress, and if you continue practicing like this every day, you will become better and more confident in English step by step. Remember, every small effort brings you closer to your goals. Keep learning, keep improving, and never give up. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new today. I'll see you in the next video, specially made for you. Rocket.